Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to create a statistical posting for a so-called guarantee received. In the same instance, I will explain you what this guarantee received is used for, and afterwards, we will reverse the guarantee received and also display the journal entries. Sounds good? Then let's get started. I am here in my SAP S/4HANA GUI system, and we navigate to Accounting, Financial Accounting, Accounts Payable, Document Entry, Other, to the transaction called Statistical Posting. By the way, as of my knowledge, there is no Fiori equivalent to this, so also in Fiori you would use this GUI transaction, just the emulated one. I'll click on this one, and here we will now provide the statistical posting for our guarantee received. So just a quick remark, such a guarantee received is a pledge on the part of a business partner to make good our debt in the event that we cannot pay it. It is statistical because those guarantees received are not displayed on the balance sheet of our company, as they normally also expire, and we then reverse them. I will show you this in a minute. So we provide a posting date and document date. Our document type is KA, which is a vendor document. Then we have the company code and the currency. Let's scroll down a bit. You can see your line item section with the posting key 39. Let's inspect this one. 39 is the posting key for a special general ledger credit. So leave it like that. Then we must provide the special GL indicator itself. Let's inspect the search help. In this case, we take G for guarantee received. We must provide our vendor who grants us this guarantee. And let's actually inspect this vendor quickly. So copy the number, go to /OBP, insert the number, click on Start, double click. And then we go to the role FLVN00, saw the financial data of our supplier, go to More, Company Code. And over here we see the reconciliation account. In this case, it's domestic payables. However, when we post our statistical posting in a second, then the system will post the amount to our vendor, but also post the amount to a special reconciliation account that is linked to this one over here. Let me quickly show this to you in the customizing /OSPRO. Go to SAP reference ING, then under financial accounting, accounts receivable and accounts payable, business transactions, posting with alternative reconciliation account. Scroll down a bit up until you can see define alternative reconciliation account for vendor. Click on this one, then double click on the guarantee, so the special GL indicator we also utilized. And here you can see that our reconciliation account that we stored in our vendor is linked to another one. Let's actually inspect this one, search for the number, and here you can see it says guarantees received from vendors. So the system will post to this special GL account. Okay, let's go back to the statistical posting. We provide an amount, let's say 10,000. We must provide a due date, which is the date on which our payment of the open item would be due without any cash discount deduction. Let's just say the 30th. And that's basically it. Now we can post. You can see a document was generated. So let's go to /N FB03, inspect the document, and here you can see the posting. So in the end, we have a debit to the so-called clearing account for our guarantees received and a credit to our vendor. Let's go out of this view, back again. And now let's first navigate to /OF110 to pay this open item. We select a run date and an identification. By the way, I have explained you all of this in another video. I will leave you the link in the description of this one. Enter the parameters, so our company code, the payment methods, and the next posting date. And then we select our vendor account over here. Click on the additional log, due date check, payment methods if not successful, line item for payment of the documents. Provide our vendor, save the parameters, and that's it. Go to the status section, click on proposal, start immediately, and start. Now the proposal is running, we will refresh. The proposal has been generated. Let's click on display. You can see it's all green, so we can go back and schedule the payment run. Start immediately, create payment medium, and schedule. Now one payment was carried out. Let's display the payment log, and here we can see the document that was posted. Let's inspect this document via /N FB03, insert it, and you can see our vendor account is now cleared and we have a credit on the bank. Let's take a look at the journal entries. So in the case where we actually received our guarantee received, we had to create the open item, which was a debit to the clearing account for guarantees received of 10,000 and a credit to the vendor. And then with the payment run, we had a debit to the vendor, so the vendor account is cleared as you can see, and we have a credit to the bank account. Now let's inspect the other case. We will create a new guarantee received where /OF-55, provide document and posting date, special GL indicator, the account and the due date, as well as an amount, let's say 15,000. And now we will post this guarantee received. And now let's imagine that we actually did not need the money from our vendor. So the guarantee received expired. Let's first inspect the journal entry here again, /NFB03. You can see again, we have our clearing account for the guarantees received debited and our vendor is credited. Now we need to reverse this posting because we did not actually need the money from the vendor and the guarantee received expired. This is done via /NF-56. Insert document and posting date, and then we will select here the general ledger, which is our special general ledger account. Then we can click on process items. You can see over here the posting we made before is found. The item is selected. Also, we could click here on off. So in this way it wouldn't be selected, but we want to process it, so it should be displayed over here in blue. And we can click on post. And that's it. A document was generated. Let's look at the document /NFB03. Hit enter. And you can now see that the clearing account that we debited before is now cleared via the credit. And also our vendor has been cleared. And here you can see the journal entries. So in the end, this means for our second case, we had an open item with a debit to the clearing account for guarantees received and a credit to the vendor. We did not actually receive the money from our vendor, so we reversed our posting with a debit to the vendor account, which will clear our vendor, and a credit to the clearing account for guarantees received, which will clear this account as well. Okay, this marks the end of the video. I hope you liked it. It took a lot of effort. So I would really appreciate if you subscribe to this channel, activate the bell, and also subscribe to my Patreon. I will leave you the link in the description of this video, and also you can check out the link in the description of my channel. Thanks a lot and see you next time.